You remember I made my Flash logo, right? Today I'm going to make a Flash belt. It's awesome, right? Let's see how to make it. Now I'm gonna attach the Flash logo to the belt. Now I've got two more pieces. I'm gonna attach one piece here and one piece here from the behind. I'm going to use a hot glue gun to attach the Velcro to the belt. To use the hot glue gun, use an adult's help. Now with the Velcro, I can attach this like this. So friends, how did you like my belt? It was awesome, right? Hope you liked my video. Like and subscribe. Bye!